Ever wish your cat would actually listen to you? You're not alone. Many cat owners dream of having a feline friend who responds to their cues, comes when called, or even shows off a few fun tricks. While cats have a reputation for being independent and sometimes a little stubborn, the truth is, with the right approach, you can absolutely train your cat, and it can be a rewarding experience for both of you. Here's how to make it happen. Training your cat isn't just possible, it's actually pretty fun. Not only does it help your cat learn new skills, but it also strengthens the bond between you and your furry companion. Plus, training can provide mental stimulation for your cat, helping to keep them happy and healthy. Here's how to get started, step by step. Whether your cat is a playful kitten or a wise old senior, these tips work for all ages. The key is patience, consistency, and a little bit of creativity. First, pick a treat your cat goes absolutely wild for. Every cat has their own favorite snack, so experiment a little to find what motivates your kitty the most. Tiny pieces of cooked chicken or special cat treats work best. You want something irresistible, but also small enough that your cat won't get full too quickly during training. Step 2. Pick one simple trick like sit or high five. Don't try to teach too many things at once. Focus on one behavior until your cat masters it. Let's go with sit. This is a great starting point because it's natural for cats to sit, and it's easy for them to understand what you want. Hold the treat above your cat's head, just out of reach, so they have to look up to see it, and move it back slowly. This motion encourages your cat to shift their weight and naturally lower their bottom to the floor. As your cat looks up, their bottom will naturally touch the floor. The moment you see this, you're ready for the next step. The moment they sit, say yes and give them the treat. Timing is everything. Rewarding your cat right away helps them understand exactly what they did right. Repeat this a few times each day, but keep sessions short. Cats have short attention spans, so 2 to 5 minutes is plenty. If your cat seems distracted or bored, it's okay to take a break and try again later. Always end on a high note when your cat does something right. This keeps training positive and leaves your cat looking forward to the next session. Next, use a clicker or a special word, like good, to mark the right behavior. This is called a marker, and it helps your cat connect the action with the reward even more clearly. This helps your cat connect the dots. Action equals reward. Over time, your cat will start to offer the behavior on their own, hoping for that tasty treat or a bit of praise. Be patient. Every cat learns at their own pace. Some cats pick up new tricks quickly, while others need a little more time and encouragement. Never yell or punish, just have fun and celebrate small wins. Positive reinforcement is the key to building trust and making training enjoyable for both of you. And hey, if your cat walks away, that's okay. Sometimes cats just need a little space or a break to process what they've learned. Cats need breaks just like we do. Giving your cat time to relax helps prevent frustration and keeps training sessions fun. So grab those treats, keep it positive, and watch your kitty become a training superstar. With a little practice, you'll be amazed at what your cat can learn and how much closer you'll feel to your feline friend. You'll both love the bonding and the tricks. Training isn't just about commands. It's about building a relationship based on trust, respect, and lots of fun. Now go give it a try and let us know how it goes. Remember, every cat is unique, so celebrate your progress and enjoy the journey together.